Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Liza, and by the way, we're going to do unboxing again. I'll show it to you guys now. But before that one, I want you to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel if you're into fashion, travel, fit, lifestyle, and foods. So please click the subscribe button. And let's go, guys. It's been a while since I do unboxing, okay? So I have this Dior bag, okay? So this one, it's a limited edition of bags. So of course, they have the typical ribbon and this one. So they put it on the top of the box, guys. So I have one of my friend here that she owns this bag. So this is Dior. She owns this bag. So I'll show it to you guys. So this is the box. So it has the receipt. So in this one and this one. So they put the receipt in this envelope. And it's nice. Look. Gold embossed. Smells good, the house. And they give me a magazine, guys. So they have the 2022. This is already 2022. So they have this one inside the box, and of course, look at the box, guys. The paper bag, it's nice, right? You know if it's really authentic bags because see, the material that they use is really nice. You're enjoying with my unboxing. So we have this. Oh guys, the bag, see? This is the bag. So if you see the material of the box, it's nice. It's really embossed. And the ribbon itself, it's really nice. I think guys, you can use this ribbon if you want to tie for the bags, for the, see, because really guys, it's embossed, see? It's like, it's not printed, it's like, you can feel it, see? It's like it has, like nice printing, you know. You can feel the print. You can use it as the tie. No? Ribbon in the hair, right? So you can improvise this one as ribbon. So I'll keep this one. So you want to see, guys, what is inside the box? For you to see, guys, this is, we'll open now. This is limited edition of, so I'll show it to you guys now. Limited edition of tote bag. See guys, I will show it to you now. Yep. So that's inside the box. And this is the bag. See? See guys, for authentication, just in case you're going to buy a used bag, so I will show you the dust bag. This is the bag, guys. So now it's limited because they rarely, it's rarely, madam, right? It's like a limited edition, right? So it's really limited edition for this bag. See, it's nice. The print, everything. So this is a classic. This is a classic design. Yeah, limited classic. Okay? And look inside, guys. So it's not a tote bag. This is the latest release right now. The, you know, like a Lady Dior bag. This is a Lady Dior bag. It's not tote bag. See, it's a Lady Dior bag. Sorry guys, correct me about my my first. This is a Lady Dior bag, the new design, limited edition of Lady Dior bag, but it's printed. So it's a printed bag, okay? Not the previous one. So this is the new design now, but very limited. See, this is a Lady Dior bag, guys. So this is the latest limited edition of Lady Dior bag. See, it has plastic here. The new design of a blue cream Lady Dior bag. So I'll show you inside, guys. What's inside of the bag. This is very nice bag. I love it. So let me return it back. So I don't want to remove this one. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks like. I will ribbon it back. So my friend is going to use it for her travel, going to London next week. So this is the latest one. See, look what's inside, guys. They have this one. So this is the booklet again. And the authentication card. This is the authentication card. See, my other bag, guys, I have pink Lady Dior bag, but not this one. They don't have this one inside. They have like envelope plus the card. So this is the latest release of Dior now this year. Early this year. Yeah, see? See how they made the Lady Dior bag. Okay, this one, guys. So it has, see, it's really nice. So they have this nice pouch for the book. Okay, this is inside the bag. And they have the strap. See, I want to show you guys the strap. This is the latest limited edition of Lady Dior bag. See, it's nice. So you will put it here, guys, to attach. So it's shoulder bag. Okay, I love the bag, guys. I love it. And they have that's inside the bag, and some extra to keep the shape of the bag. So this is how it looked like, guys, inside the bag of Dior. So guys, I don't know if you can find a second hand of this bag, because this is a new release limited edition of Lady Dior bag for 2022. This one, guys, see? So it's really nice. Early release, guys. See, it's nice. It has pocket in the front. So it has pocket in the front. This is the flap of the bag. And it's a zipper pouch at the back, inside the back, on the other side. So this is how it looks like, guys. The back and in the front. It's really nice. Nice shape. This is medium size, guys, of Lady Dior printed bag. Limited and first release of the bag for 2022. I hope, guys, you like my unboxing for the latest Lady Dior bag. And see you soon, guys. And thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.